Okay. Now your second part, we already got the idea about multiplication. I think you have satisfied with that part, and we already done the review exercise also. Now, next part is the coefficient of the power with the same base. That means you are going to divide. This is division, x to the power 5, x to the power 2. First case we do the multiplication here, now division. So division can be expressed as x to the power 5 by x to the power 3, like that you can express this as division. Now, so I wrote here this part as expanded form, and x to the power 2 also write as expanded form. What is the x to the power 5? X into x into x into x into x, then there are two x's. Now you can remove these 2x to this 2, then what is the remain? There are 3 x's remain. So what will be the answer? X to the power 3. Now this case you can get the idea. In the multiplication previous case it is subtraction, now this addition. Now this case look at this 5 minus 2, it is subtraction. You can subtract these values. I think a very easy questions also. uh, Subtractions you have done in grade 3 and grade 2. If you know how to subtract values, two numbers, you can face easily this case also. We will discuss some example related this part also. X to the power 5 into x to the power 2 division x to the power 3. This is combination. This can be, you can see as a multiplication. So if you have a multiplication, you add these two values 5 and 2, you have to add. This is division. If you have a division, what do you supposed to do? Get the subtraction. So I will write those part. Addition I will write as a separately. Then I have add these two values. Look at this. I added these two indices. I have added these two indices. Then I apply division. Division is the subtraction. You can subtract. You add these two values plus it is 7. 7 minus 3. The final answer is x to the power 4. So you have to figure out what are the multiplication part, what are the division part. Then multiplication part you can separately add, and division cases you can subtract. Okay, now next one. Here the numbers comes with numbers and powers also there. So you don't worry about the numbers that just divide, and consider about the indices. So I divide these two numbers, it comes 2. Then 8 minus 2, I told you these two are same base. I told you in this case it should be same base. I am think about separately this x to the power 8 and x to the power 2. Now what is the value? 2x 8 minus 2. Then 2x x to the power 6. This is the final answer. So shall we shift next question? A to the power 3 into a to the power 2. The uppercase you can see here. Look at the uppercase. What is the uppercase? Multiplication. Same base multiplications. What is the theory? The theory is same base multiplication. You have to add these two values. 3 plus 2, 5. Then this line represent coefficient, that mean division. If you have a division, you have to subtract 1. I told you if there are no any indices, the value is 1. Then 2 to the power 3 and a to the power 3 and a to the power 2, a to the power 3 plus 2 minus 1. Then final answer is a to the power 4. I think you are very good idea with this part also. Now you can do your next exercise.